In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on Wix. Duplicating a section is a quick way to reuse a design you've already built, keep your branding consistent, and speed up your workflow. Whether you're repeating a hero layout, a testimonial strip, or a pricing block, this simple action ensures everything looks uniform without rebuilding from scratch. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor and navigating to the page where the section lives. Make sure you're in the standard editor view, not preview, so you can interact with elements. Give the page a moment to load fully so the editing controls appear, and zoom to a comfortable level if needed to see the section boundaries clearly. Move your cursor over the section you want to duplicate. As you hover, you'll notice the section outline and toolbar hints appear, usually near the top of that section. In Wix, a section is the full width horizontal area that contains your content blocks, text, images, buttons, galleries, everything grouped together. Hovering is important because it tells the editor which container you intend to work with, not just an individual element inside it. When the section is highlighted, click the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. If you prefer, you can also right-click directly on the section. Both actions open a context menu with options related to that container, so you don't have to hunt through side panels. If the menu doesn't appear right away, try moving slightly toward the section's top edge or clicking once to select the section, then try again. From the menu, choose Duplicate. The editor will immediately create a copy and place it directly underneath the original section. This duplicate preserves the layout, background, spacing, and all the content inside, text, images, and buttons. So your design stays consistent. It's perfect for building a series of matching sections without reformatting each one. After the duplicate appears, you can customize it freely, update the text, swap images, or change background colors while keeping the original intact. If you need to change the order, click and drag the section up or down the page until the blue guideline shows where it will land. For a polished result, check the spacing between sections to avoid crowding, and review the mobile view to ensure everything stacks neatly. If you make a mistake, use Undo to revert instantly and preview your page to see how the duplicated layout flows. That's all it takes to duplicate sections on Wix quickly and confidently.